on it back. Okay. Today I'm taking a stroll, taking you with me on my daily exercise jaunts to blow the cobwebs off in Kyra Lane in Kyra, in Cardiff, Wales. It's a nice tree-lined avenue, as you can see. All the trees are starting to turn a little bit yellow. It's a lovely mild day today though. It's very humid. Yeah, it's jungly. I'm with my son Laurence, he's coming out with me to get some stuff. I used to go to discos in that school when I was young. Amazing, back in the day. Some bikes. Nah. A lot of biker clubs in Wales. My neighbour downstairs, my mate Tony, he's in a biker club. Welsh one. Welsh only biker club.
Very exclusive.
Yeah man, they're all XSS and shit, aren't they? So, whoever that YouTuber was who made a video about Kyra talking shit, he obviously didn't, I don't know where he was fucking going, but he was talking bollocks, because it's a really, it's not bad. Been in worse places.
Trees are nice.
Trees are lovely. Here's my pub down there, the Highfields Inn, and the old village what was there of Kyra in the past. Yes, brother! That's my man. Oi, me. Oh, cheers. There's a funny smell in the air though, it's like residue bin men. Garbage.
And this stuff.
And this black gluey stuff.
No, and the tree matter.
Yeah, tree matter. Well, imagine if there was giant trees and they all lost their leaves and eventually turned into mud. Yeah, I know.
Smells all arboreal. You know, like flora.
When did they change the Belisha beacons as well? That's another fucking weird change.
Well, they're rotten.
Right,
From
the
that tree.
current bun's definitely coming off.
It's been sunny.
Yeah, it's been sunny. I worked on that block of flats there, building doors and windows and everything else you see, for almost a year. My boss's name was Glenn Miller. I thought that was quite amusing.
I think it's
God,
the
he
building
in the area. Yeah, he definitely let me get away with a lot, I can tell you that. It's not like I break stuff. Here's my local shop. Shops, the El Falah Centre. Don't know what that does exactly. Hey, you little dog! What are you doing? Woof, you're on YouTube, baby. Ah. Spliffing up in a car, innit? Standard. Chinese chip shop. They take only cash only in, yeah?
Like reverse it everywhere else.
Yeah, it's the worst chip shop in the world.
That's nice, not too
I
bad.
ate it there a couple of weeks ago actually with
I
Mel,
did,
and it was really, yeah, it was nice. I know I had something that was nice as well. I can't remember, curry I think.
Yeah.
Here's some nails if you want nails.
It's actually not bad, that chip shop. I give it a 3 out of 5 stars. So, okay, acceptable.
Local bookmakers taking bets on whether you can get an Oasis ticket or not.
Have to sell the kids' toys.
Yeah, man. Send the boys back on the game.
But I've got to see Oasis.
But I've got to see Oasis, man. No, look at together at last.
Spangly, spangly stars.
Rainbows in your mind. Spingly spangly, rainbows in your mind. Manchurian style. Right, let's investigate the wildlife. Oi, come here, over here.
Shy.
No, they're not all shy. Sometimes they land on my head and peck the wax out my ears. That's not actually true, but it would be nice. I've seen it on YouTube.
About halfway
Oh look, it's a ambulance. Somebody's got a snotty nose.
Somebody tripped putting their jeans on.
Spots in the bollocks. They don't even joke about gene accidents. They're a thing, you know.
I know.
Right, let's cross over. Well, Lisa lives in the street.
Especially if you put off skinny jeans, huh?
Oh yeah, that's not good at all.
That's the lethal. Nina.
Yeah.
Trees all the way down Caerau Lane. Like a tree tunnel.
It's a fucking tree tunnel.
Yeah.
It's a tunnel of treeness.
Probably the best part about Caerau Lane is the tree tunnel.
That's why they banned double-decker buses down here.
Yeah.
So they don't smash our shit.
They did have double deckers down here. Used to mess the trees right up, didn't they?
Yeah, man. Excuse me. Slipped out there. So this was our local field for exercise. It's still there, but we had a cut through, which I've been using for like the last eon, which is blocked off because they're building 80 plus houses.
And a street, and a road.
And a road.
Which will probably be convenient though.
Yeah. And there's town in the distance. Shall we?
Can go that way.
Yeah, I just want to show them the pile of rubble. And all of that.
It'll show up, it's gigantic.